When space is limited in a production area, stationary drum dumpers can provide a better solution for dispensing the contents from drums rather than a portable model with a larger footprint. Our stationary models feature the same single or two-stage masts as our portable line of manual travel and self-propelled models with side-rotating clamps. A wide range of lift heights are available to best suit each application. Drums can be fed to the stationary models by using roller conveyors, drum transporters, or inexpensive round drum dollies. The inner rubber coating of the CR clamp wraps around the drum, exerting a firm gripping force capable of lifting steel, fiber, and plastic, straight-sided drums, which are generally the most difficult to handle. This CR clamp grips drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter, and with an optional adapter can grip drums as small as 14 inches in diameter. We also have an adapter specifically for 5-gallon pails. We offer stationary models with fixed masts for dispensing into one tank, and stationary models with the mast mounted to a bearing for discharging into more than one tank, as shown in this video. These rotating masts require very little effort to rotate and are easy to use by any operator. This CR style clamp provides 10 inches of reach from the lift's mast to the drum. The clamp is available with up to 24 inches of extended reach to better fit some multi-tank applications or to reach small inset openings in reactors. If equipped with an optional scale, an operator could dispense by weight, which can provide accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 of a pound. Stationary models are typically 110 volt AC powered in non-hazardous areas and air powered in hazardous areas. Stationary models are finished in safety orange powder coating for durability. We also offer the finish in FDA approved metallic silver powder coating and full stainless steel construction. Please contact Easy Lift Equipment or your local material handling professional for additional information.